Local news for Monday, the 31st of August. Free parking will come to an end tomorrow in Masterton. Free parking in the town centre was put in place by the Masterton District Council as one of the many measures to encourage retail spending as a response to COVID-19. Other measures included up to 100% rent relief on council properties for community groups, individuals and businesses that have experienced hardship for the period of 12 months. The first round of early engagement in the development of the Greater Wellington Regional Council long-term plan closes at 2 p.m. today. Public consultation of the draft 2021-31 annual plan, long-term plan rather, will take place early next year. And the Masterton District Council is looking at a range of potential locations for a multi-purpose civic facility after fine-tuning the objectives for the community asset. Masterton Mayor Lynn Patterson says we know it's taking time to make decisions on what to do after the closure of the old town hall, but we need to get it right, not just for today's generations, but also for future generations. And finally in sport, both Gladstone men's and women's sides have won their respective hockey finals in the club hockey at the weekend. Congratulations. And in club rugby, Marist beat Martaborough in the Tui Cup semi-final 20 points to 10, and Greytown beat Ekirahuna 22-18. Marist will play Greytown this weekend for the Tui Cup. That game scheduled for 2:35 on Saturday and will be live streamed. The Hottest Effort Cup will take place between East Coast and Carterton on Friday night, 7 p.m, and also live streamed. Kia ora for local news and sport. I'm Brent Gare.